Am I the only one that didn't know how crucial a car grille is? None. The car grille isn't just a pretty face, it's like the lungs of your car, letting it breathe and keeping the engine cool. But here's the cool part. The grille is also a powerful style statement. Think of the Jeep's iconic 7-bar grille or BMW's sleek kidney grille. These designs are as unique as fingerprints. Now, if you're driving an electric car, the game changes. Electric engines don't need as much airflow, so some electric cars ditch the grille entirely. Others keep it for that classic car vibe. It's a whole new design playground. Feeling inspired? Custom grilles are a fantastic way to give your car a personality boost. Go for bold, go for unique, go for that head-turning look. Whether it's for better function or just pure style, your car's grille is more than meets the eye. So ready to make your car stand out? Let your grille do the talking. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to select the right grille and provide installation tips. From choosing the perfect design to the final installation, we've got you covered. Let's get started and transform your car into a head-turner. Visit our website for more tips and to purchase the best grilles for your car. Your journey to a standout car starts here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car customization tips.